In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneDrive links with non-OneDrive users. Sharing files or folders from OneDrive with someone who doesn't use the service is both convenient and straightforward. Let's dive right in and walk through the process. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Microsoft account. This is your gateway to accessing OneDrive, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're logged in, locate the apps launcher in the top left corner of the page, which looks like a grid of small dots. Clicking on this will bring up a menu of available apps. From there, you'll need to click on OneDrive. This will redirect you to your OneDrive homepage, where all your files and folders are stored. Once on the OneDrive page, head over to the My Files section. Here you'll find a list of all your stored documents. Scroll through or use the search function to locate the specific file or folder you wish to share. When you've found the file or folder, hover over it. You'll see a few options pop up. Click on the Share option, which usually appears as an icon featuring an arrow pointing upwards. This will open a sharing window where we can fine-tune how we want to share our content. Within the sharing window, you'll want to select the option that says anyone with the link. This step is crucial because it ensures that the person you're sharing the link with doesn't need a OneDrive account to access it. Next, you can decide on the permissions you'd like to grant. There are typically two choices: allowing the recipient to edit the document or just view it. Think about what level of access you want to provide and make your selection accordingly. This step is important to maintain control over who can alter your files. Once your sharing preferences are set, click on Copy Link. This will generate a link that is ready to be shared. You can now paste this link into an email, text message, or even a chat app, depending on how you prefer to communicate with the recipient. And that's it. You've successfully shared a OneDrive link with someone who may not even have a OneDrive account. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure your files are accessible to anyone you choose. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your file sharing endeavors easier. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.